Welcome to the web version of PlanningPME. Today I will show you how to export an Excel file from the list view. So now we are on a resource view. I'm gonna switch to a list view. So basically the list view is a summary of the whole schedule. So here you have different labels for different columns. So for example, the beginning and end date of a task, the duration of a task, if this is a recurring task or not, the label, the resource involved in the task status, and so on. So here, basically, you have the possibility to switch the different label. For example, at the beginning, you will just have to click left and move the label you want to postpone. So here, for example, the resource will be at the third place. I can also move the client if I want. Also, one piece of information, if you click here, you will have the possibility to decide what you want to be visible on your columns or not. So for example, if I want, I can remove the resource, and as you can see, the resource is gone from the different columns labels, or you can add it again by clicking again here. That's up to you to decide. Now that we define a special order for all the different columns, you can export it as visible data through an Excel file. I will click here. I will double click now on schedule. I'm going to make it bigger, and as you can see now, it respects the order you implemented before. It starts with the beginning and end date and the resource label. So thank you for your attention and see you soon for new videos.